Go. Give me my keys. I'll have them. Yeah, let me get a close-up of that face.
What is this?
Oh my god. What the fuck is that? Is that a whoopee cushion?
It's a squishy.
A squishy. What is that? That thing's so cute. What is that? What are those?
Wait, where did you get those, Vicky?
Yeah, Vicky got that for her.
I want to feel it.
It's a squish.
Oh god damn.
Man,
Gravity lost its hold.
it was made
smells
of
like-
Sabrina.
What?
Chocolate.
Let me smell it.
It smells like blueberries.
It smells weird. I love
smells
it.
like
I like the
blueberries.
smell of it. Okay, weirdo, stop sniffing your gift. Open the next one. I bet you that was from Vicky's cheap ass.
This
That was
That's from Vicky's cheap
thought
ass.
this
How much
was
one of
cute and thought of you also as a stress reliever because I know school is stressful. LOL.
It is
Happy
Vicky.
16th birthday.
Is it a Vicky?
Wish I could be there and hope and blah, blah, blah. Yeah, love Vicky.
I knew our cheap ass got you that shit. Junior got you something good. I know it. He got me something good last time. I bet you there's shoes or like. Kick it in.
No, it's gonna break.
Oh. I knew it. I knew it. He got you something good.
That is cute. That is cute. Oh, it has a little jug.
Junior always gets the good shit.
He did.
Dude, what? That's my purse. Give me that
Your
purse. That's my
fave
purse.
colors, and also June helped me get this gift. Got you the same one as me, but in black.
Wait, it's Vicky? I knew that bitch was getting you that. I told her. She's like, no, I'm getting it for me.
something else.
It's Vicky and June.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, right. That's from Junior. You know that's from
There's
Junior.
something else.
Oh, there's something else.
Obviously, that's for me.
No.
I fucking knew it. I fucking knew it. She got the same fucking backpack. I even told her, I was like, if you're getting it for little Sabrina, get the black one. Or something. I'll even show you the messages.
Hey.
That's cute.
Oh my god.